How to write long captions on Instagram post. So basically, in order to write long captions on an Instagram post, Instagram allows up to 2200 characters per caption. That's about 300 to 400 words depending on length and spacing. So here all you have to do is use line break for readability. Add line breaks to make long captions easy to read. Press enter return twice between paragraphs. Use symbols like dash or star or emojis to break it up nicely. For example, simply type down here is how I styled this outfit today. Then leave a space. It will make your caption look more longer. Then once you leave this space, then all you have to do is put down the dash. Then simply write down in brief about your outfit you are wearing today. For example, here I'm typing down the jacket thrifted. Then I'll write down about jeans. Then I'll write down about shoes. And I'll also simply share that more details are below. If you want to, then you can check it. If you make this in such way, then it will look much longer. Or you can also write your full caption in your phone's notes app or any text editor, then copy and paste into Instagram. This avoids losing your caption if Instagram crashes or refreshes. And put hashtags at the end of your caption or in the first comment to keep the post clean. You can use up to 30 hashtags per post. Then, after that, if you like a story or give value to your caption, then share a story or a personal experience. Offer tips behind the scenes or inspirational messages. For example, I'm writing down I used to be afraid of wearing bold colors, but this outfit reminded me how fashion helps me express confidence. And what is a color that empowers you? Ask a question at the end to encourage the engagement, like I have asked, what is a color that empowers you? So that is it. Paste the caption in your post and preview how it looks before publishing and make sure it does not get cut off and has proper spacing. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.